me traigo. Fine, I'm gonna let you go, but you're not gonna be cuckoo. What did you say? Fine. Okay. I record it. You're always gonna be without me. I don't want to stay here. I want to stay outside and calling the phone. I want to eat. No food? Okay, I'm gonna eat from the chocolate. Auntie. Ooh. What is this? What is this? Food. Ooh, cool. Mine. Bye-bye. Hello, guys. I called my friend to come to have a dance party. Yay, woohoo, woohoo. I'm going to show you my bird. And my bird is really special, but he's a little wild, but he listens really good. And don't say a bad word because he listens you. And he's gonna tell me, oh, can I show you? He has beautiful wings. He has beautiful eyes, and he has beautiful hair, like the things here. I like them because they're soft. And after, I'm gonna show you that he sings too. But you can record something on them. And I record this for the video. You see? Okay, I'm gonna put this right here. After, it's gonna be like this. Whee! I'm here, kitty. What? Why did you call me kitty? Baby. Why did you call me kitty? I called you kitty because you are looking at me. Oh, I'm a kitty because my mom called me like that. Yes, you're right, kitty bitty. Kitty! You said kitty! I like your hair. I'm gonna get it on your hair. Why did you do that? I'm gonna claws and get you in the sky. Hey, okay. I'm gonna learn you how to teach something. Okay, I'm gonna put you here, not to go on the swing, whatever you want. And after, I'm gonna wait here for my friend. Hello? Who is it? Hi. Are you my friend? Of course I